Christina Aguilera. Oye, mamita. Guys, what's up? It's Jesse. I haven't made a video for the past, I don't know, weeks or so. So I figured I should make another one, especially something bizarre happened. I'm currently doing laundry, as you can see from there. Trying to fold them, and guess what? One of my underwear got eaten up by the washing machine. Holy fudging cake. My Calvin Klein. And tomorrow is my trial for this HOV lane and expired driver's license sticker thingy. I'm so pissed off. But anyways, yeah, just an update how my life is. But you know what? Life is too short. Life is too short.